Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a minute since I did a get ready with me voiceover, so that's exactly what this video is going to be about. I'm going to show you guys how I did my hair and how I did my makeup. It's a very natural look, so if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. I'm going in with just a regular curling iron, a comb, and a hair clip. So my first step is to just part my hair between the upper and bottom half, comb it out with my brush, and spray with heat protectant. So I use the Rusk Flat Iron Thermal Spray. Heat protectant is honestly the only way I've been growing my hair, so do not skip that step. And then you're just going to go in with your curling iron and just curl your parts. I try to curl each strand in going in different directions. So one direction curling out towards behind me and the other direction curling towards my face. And every other strand that I curl, so if I curl my left side and then my right, I'll go back to my left and brush it out with the comb. So we are now almost done, and I just save the front of my head and the tippy top for the very last. And for my bangs, it's a little more complicated, so instead of just keeping it straight in the curling iron, I like to curl it a little and then pull it out so it's not the tight curls that I have all around my hair. Like I said though, I do brush out my curls and they do fall by the time I leave the house, so they will not be that wild at first. What I end up with are just very soft, kind of like beach wave curls. This and ironing straight my hair are my two go-tos, although I do love this more natural curl look. It is now time to prime our face, so we'll be using the Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth Base. It's my favorite and go-to at the moment, so you're just going to put that on your T-zone and spread it around your face. For my foundation, we are going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation in the color Light, Medium, Neutral. So I use the applicator that comes with the foundation and I spread it around my face, and then I go in with a damp beauty blender and just blend it out. I know at first it's going to seem a little too tan for my body, but with concealer and blending, it really does the trick. I do self-tan, so my foundation does not always match my body perfectly, and when it doesn't, I make sure to blend it out. Concealer, we're going to go in with the Maybelline SuperStay Better Skin Concealer. I am in the color Light Medium 30. And I'm going to combine this concealer with the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. I don't know the name or number of this concealer, but I know it is one of the lightest shades that it comes with. So with a damp beauty blender, I'm going to combine these two colors together for my concealer and blend it out. And for my favorites, the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, I'm going to bake the areas under my eyes and around my jawline with a damp beauty blender. This is a staple product of mine. I love it. I've been using it forever. For my brows, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder in the color Chocolate. And I'm going to snap my fingers and they're done. Yep, that's how fast I do my brows, ladies and gentlemen.
With a regular powder complexion brush, I'm going to go in and wipe off the Mercier translucent setting powder from where I baked, and then I'm going to just spread the residue around my face where I didn't get as much powder as I wanted to. To contour my face, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, the light to medium shade, and use that middle contour color with a contouring brush. And I'm gonna go in on my cheekbones. So I'm gonna pick up the color for you guys right now. And I'm gonna be pushing in the product and then blending. So this is how I make sure that I'm not like swiping away foundation. I like to push in the color and then blend it out so it's not as rough and it's a very smooth contour appearance. So I got my jawline, my hairline, and under my neck. Next, with a different brush, I'm going to contour the lighter parts of my face with the yellowy banana color, and I'm going to go under my eyes, on my forehead, my chin, and my nose. And I almost forgot to contour my nose, so I'm just showing you guys that step. I do like to contour my nose. I don't have any specific technical way. It's just kind of like a messy contour. For blush, I'm going to be using the Pixi Cosmetics Dulce Candy palette. I'm going to use the color Estrella on my cheeks, and with a regular blush brush, I'm going to pick the color up and little by little pack it onto my cheeks because it is highly pigmented, so I don't want an overly blush look. With the same Pixi palette, I'm going to pick up Caramelo and use that for my highlights. With just a regular non-specific type of brush, I'm going to go and highlight my cheekbones on both sides. Then I'm going to go and highlight under my brow, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. And I'm just going to allow that to build up. For even more highlight, I'm going to use the Stila Cosmetics Shine Bright Heaven's Dew palette. I'm going to go in with the color Santorini Sunset, and I'm just going to apply that above the areas where I recently applied the Pixi Caramelo highlight color, just for an extra sheen. Off camera, I applied the Lip Injection Too Faced Lip Plumper. And now for my eyes, with a regular blending brush, I use the Lorac Pro palette, and I'm going to apply the color Tan. So I'm just going to bring that along my crease and blend and blend and blend. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I'm using the Lorac Pro Los Angeles palette. So now with a flat brush, I'm going and picking up the color Tulle, and I'm placing that all over my lid and carefully blending it with tan that I placed on my crease, and I'm placing it in the inner corners of my eye as well, as you guys saw. With the Anastasia brow powder, I'm gonna go and just accentuate my lunar like I always do, my little trademark. And with another flat brush, I'm going in with the Lorac palette, and I'm picking up the color Pecan, and I'm just going to apply that in my underlash. I guess I'm creating kind of like a smoky effect because I wanted to do something really natural, yet I really wanted my eyes to pop. Now also again with the color Pecan, but this time with a fluffy brush, I'm applying that to the outer corner of my lids to again create that shadow smoky look. For my mascara, I'm going in with the Voluminous Lash Paradise in the color Black is Black, and I'm all done there. And then with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, I'm just going to apply that all over my face, and we are done!
So that was my voiceover. That was my voiceover get ready with me. I hope you guys liked it. As always, I'll have all products listed down below in the description box. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post videos twice a week, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to turn on those post notifications so you never miss a video with more again. Bye!